Enra me the story be Abraham say journalist a friend no Serwaa Amihere nanse no babe dane lawyer. So babe dane lawyer indeed 1 year mpo. Na say udi a team of lawyers enim Echo Supreme Court say ukudi asem na de yeti ye ne say judge bi ekasitia no say obi a obabe dane lawyer enche bia eba ne sen na wababe gina Supreme Court a wo be di case asem ne ba bonten no Ghana for a enye lawyers ehun ni difference we were Melodies ebusu ni bia or frame and na me no ka say currently or law school into your frame na wo hwe perspective a ono so can out to me hu ne say omo go through law school and omo ye lawyers no they have a different perspective and it's more like they are on the side of the judge. So that is the normal practice. The judge ne kan ye no sa na law no eti. But obi a wonye lawyer no obi hu ne say judge no was being harsh. Enti no akwa say Ghanaians are divided on the story. Now there's an update on the story and I'm going to post so you understand. Now the Emma asem ne babe ya asem and say platform bi ekoko posti story no. Emma ye babe te say senior story ne kwa na nkrofo bo judges ne chi no. Emma judge kesiye ba kon eba be catch platform ne say omun delete story no. Na platform ne delete story no. Journalist nso di omo ho aba be shem say dabi. Say judges need to me yes and actress say they are influencing journalism. What I said, they are influencing editorial policy, which is haram when it comes to a journalist. And you know, some people took it far. Says a judge to me, I said, and actress say a misconduct. And they are going to petition the Chief Justice to deal with the judge. Now, the reason why Nkrofo, especially journalists, in Huno as a big deal, and they say journalists are reporting on a true story. Now, judge arguing, and say. Or best journalist is a journalist in delete story na. And yes, our judge no. Ebia obi so asem eba beto nenim na ne pakron na asem nye da. Yesusu say he's liable say obi betumi aba besre no na wedi asem ama ne pakron no because of wound. So people are saying it that way. What you say and all that. Intino that's the confusion eba asem nimo. Now there's a write up me hu ye online but obi a friend no MPK na me pese me reading a write up no na ye hwe asem we na ye hwe bebi a ye de ebeto and the first time or ha me share subscribe na click the notification bell no so oye ne say latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka. Corporate Logistica a vehicle management company ewo Ghana na asem wa America and they say it makes no sense say o de thousands of dollars ebeto car a cargo vehicle from sprinter to 40-footer and ahia car kesiye no ne boarding. It makes no sense how do you see beto car sa car no now they are bagana now their shit will be in some keke. You know the stress involved in that. Now Corporate Logistica your company a wo build the system. Omo system ne say fa car ne show monsa o de show monsa omo abe pe driver amaka no. Omo abe hwe ejuma driver ne be because car ne wo ho driver ne be ye ejuma de bia. Omo abe monitor driver na ma. Omo ankasa ebetua driver ne ka omo abeye maintenance o kan ne ho omo abeye insurance o kan ne ho na wo aka ne ye ode no every single month obeji aketua 2 times umpe we na opedien from 059 8022033 we oba na onim se ne etwi ka sakese ya Corporate Logistica was special package amount so you can also call them. Now let's read or say Supreme Court debacle Serwaa scolded, publication censored. Now, also in a hearing of a civil case involving Cowbank PLC, the Republic, versus the Court of Appeal Kumasi, the presiding judge, His Lordship Justice Isifu Omoru Tanko Amadu, scolded Serwaa Amihere Esquire in open court. So now we know the identity of the judge. First, no story never ni name judge ni identity, but based on this write up, no, you say judge awo yes Serwaa Amihere sadi no judge be a friend of Justice Amadu Tanko. A very popular Supreme Court judge of Ghana. Also, he registered the court's formal dissatisfaction over declining quality of legal advocacy and applications being brought before the apex court. In the first, you say judge no, raise issues and saying standards are from lawyers eba be jino mu nima as a lawyers ni nima di omo ye. Because mind you, being a lawyer is not just about, going to court and arguing. There is a procedure you need to follow. Inti judge raise sa concern, and the Supreme Court is the apex court, so you can't go there and mess up and do maybe silly mistake and rookie mistakes. I'll say Justice Amadu's strong disapproval was premised on the fact that junior lawyers should not appear before the nation's highest court without being accompanied by a senior lawyer. Inti judge no the DNS say a junior lawyer. Ba court senior lawyer bindi wechi. Na oba be dane lawyer nansi ndi 1 year mpo na oba be jina Supreme Court judge nim aden. When one for bu amame. That's the judge, And send American for people who have gone through the law school, it looks like they all have that same lawyers now more call law school, no, they all have this same view a judge ne have. It looks like young call law school now you wait, and your thoughts are different, right? Also, the panel grew concerned after the applicant's legal counsel was announced as Serwaa Amihere, a lawyer with a maximum year of experience, who was assisted by another junior colleague of the same experience at bar. Also, the law platform, a court insider report, quickly broke the news to netizens. In a swift turn of events, ironically, in less than 24 hours or so, the publication was pulled down. Also, when queried over the censure of the said publication, the answer was simple but cold. To paraphrase them, a JSC reached out to them over his displeasure of the reportage, and so, out of respect for him, they've pulled it down. But in future, it will be republished. Also, the censure publication read, Supreme Court schools Serwaa Amihere for appearing and leading a 1-year-old lawyer before them without a senior. Also, the law platform self-censored because a JSC registered a displeasure of a credible publication. 2. A credible court report suffered at the feet of power because court authority felt uneasy. 3. How many such publications were not allowed to see the light of day because the judiciary gave instructions? 4. How is journalism a law that, irrespective of how credible or verifiable it may, sentiment from powers that be must influence its authorization? Would you have folded in same manner as the law platform had? Had you been in their shoes, knowing very well that you'll be in the court the next time? How does this build strong tenets of court journalism? If credible publications are not guaranteed liberty from the clause of judicial authority and influence, was the JSC's displeasure in any way or form meant to suggest that the reprimand of the junior lawyer was A, not made for the public, B, not well conceived, C, stretched beyond limits, or D, too harsh to stay in the news? So basically, this is the write-up. Now, if you write up now, it looks like this person is taking it from the point, say, Judge Nadia, and I like this write-up because this write-up, in the first place, they did not speak on the fact that whether it was right for what the judge did or not. This write-up is taking it from the angle, and they say, if the judge feels that you're a writer, why would the judge impress their influence on the platform to delete the story? And so it's raising a lot of concerns. It's because we are judging. The journalist reported story, not story near no career. Oh, journalist no judge no. Ube to me, my journalist need delete story no. Not just say on my way no. Journalists are to report stories based on the ebeye more judges need. A politician dares not do that. Imagine say yemfa obi to say Manasseh Azori expose ya or yefa is Emrana His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wa ba mu nanka Mahama friend directly at and said that be story, no, pulling it down. Imagine the scandal it will create. So, you know, because it's a judge, you know, people are not talking about it that much. But this is the write-up, and this is what people are saying. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment box. For book now at that screen is on your friend the Ghanaian investor. This is your most practical guide. A better senior be investi Ghana. Now a lot of people don't know, but you will be a friend of the Ghana Stock Exchange. Now Ghana Stock Exchange, you know, we invest in Ghana Stock Exchange more. What it simply means, and it's a udi usika invest in some companies be a listed Ghana. Companies be to say a year Ghana Commercial Bank, companies be to say MTN. And the best investments are any Ghanaian can ever do. Investing in a Ghana Stock Exchange, because on average Ghana Stock Exchange, you know, a return revenue and an ROI of 25%. What it simply means is that every single year biano when you crano na 25% if you invest in a Ghana Stock Exchange. This book is going to go take you through how to invest in a Ghana Stock Exchange, how to invest in Nyamabia your friend mutual funds. Now, aside this, no, there are 3 other investment firms be a Ghana Hanson Swa, a yes secret and crowdfunding. If you purchase this book, you are going to get to know of those secrets or those investments, and then it's going to change your life forever. Get this book, The Ghanaian Investor. So open book maybe at a very simple number na at that book neso 055-807-4986. Obe to me a fresh number no. Ofra ye best sort out with the book. Obe to me so our WhatsApp number no. So one person obe free and answer one person obe WhatsApp ya. Very simple. On your screen, video now wo hwe sisia no. Obe hu baby ya draw view products. Obe to me a click so a obe hu say books ni na ebeba. Na wa click book no or version ni twi video wo ho. Ni PDF ewo ho, ni English video enso wo ho. Twi video no eye for wo mo a eye na akenkan eye omoden. Omo ana wo ntumi nkenkan brofo. Ni English video enso wo ho, akenkan ye oden na nso pe brofo a English video wo ho. PDF enso obi a wo hwe a wo pese wo kan wo phone so na trese bibia eco smooth no. Also there any the PDF. So that is also another way you can get the book. So what me now you Ghana ni now our brochure. You can just go on Amazon. Now I search a book no the title. That screen is no The Ghanaian Investor. Into search for book ne title Ghanaian Investor. Obon say beba na wa purchase na trese ya ship e dia bro e wa brochure ho. And I say video na wo hwe sisia no ye wo be a friend the description box e wo YouTube. Into your answer obe click more. O click more obe call description box ni mu. Into call description box ni mu a obe hu say eye book no ne links ewa ha what ya say opese o use mobile money a eno ne say wa click sa link na ya tro get my book here for mobile money, get the ebook here na wa click so na unsaka get the hard copy na wa click so na unsaka very 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 simple. These are the ways obetumi use enya book we yento book we ni yehu senia yebetumi invest. Ghana's economy is booming. I personally believe that the next set of billionaires and millionaires, no, they will be coming from the Ghana Stock Exchange. And so take advantage of this, learn how to invest in the Ghana Stock Exchange amidst any other and all other investments, and also what Ghana for.